Alright, next is I'm going to assemble the handlebars and mount that up onto the mower. I assemble the handlebars before I put it onto the mower. I find it just a bit easier to work in front of myself instead of on the machine. So first thing, I will mount the handle onto the handlebars. That's just a little pin up the top with a C-clip, and that holds it in place. Rightio, once that's mounted, I will mount the badge plate. Not sure what you call that, but basically this will go there. What I like to do is get a bit of 13mm hose. It's just hose from the garden, nothing special. I cut a piece here. Now what I do is mount that on here on both sides. What that actually does, you never see it when you mount your cover, you never see it. But what that does is it stops this vibrating on the handlebars. I can't stand anything worse than mowing, listening to this thing just rattle away on the handlebars. It drives me insane. So I just put a bit of hose there, that stops the rattle. I've never done this before, but I cut this little piece out for the top here as well. The less metal on metal, the less vibration and noise you will hear. So we'll see how it goes. Right, now we've done that, I like to mount this lower section of the handlebars on the mower. Now I do that, when I install it on the mower, I actually flex these two in to stop scratching all the paint off the sides of the mower. It's a bit easier when you don't have the top part mounted on there. So here we go. So on the chainsaw, don't forget to add your cover plate mounting piece. This will go here, actually there rather. Okay, we'll mount the top part of the handlebars onto the lower part of the handlebars. So it's quite simple, there's just one bolt that goes through here and then a lock nut, a nylock rather, on the other side, and that will hold the handlebars on. when you tighten that bolt, don't tighten it so tight that you can't move. The handlebars are designed to go up and down. They're meant to fold up for storage, I guess. One more piece at the bottom. Don't forget the special washer that comes with this, and that'll hold the handlebars up. And there we have it, the handlebars mounted. So once the handlebars are mounted, we can we can install our clutch cable, drive clutch cable. Now this mounts down here. This mounts down here, attaches to our drive cork, and then this will run up to our handle where we can control the speed we make. Alright, so installing the clutch assembly cable. One end has like an eyelet that goes up to the handle, and the other end has sort of like a screw thread. That screws into the holder down the bottom here, and the T-piece here hooks into the lever. So quite simple. Hook the T-piece in, squish your spring, and then screw your thread in. Rightio, your clutch cable goes up to your handlebars. At the top of the handlebars, I'm not sure how you're going to see this. Top of the handlebars, you've got a little pin. So this pin will go through the eyelet in the handlebars. You got a little circlip that holds your pin in. Push it on tight. And there you have it. Your handle will now control the lever.